Good morning, everyone. It is November, not the 18th. It is November 25th at Kyushu Institute of Technology, Iizuka campus. I'm very sorry about last week. I was not feeling very well. So I did make a notice that you still have to do your homework. I'll go over that really quickly. It shouldn't have been any kind of a surprise for me. Before I do that, I'm going to switch this to student mode. Okay, good. Now that we're in student mode, good. So let's just go over quickly what you needed to do for last week. So first of all, I wanted you to make sure that you understood what you have for your TOEIC IP test. Whoops, sorry. Let me lock that down. Your TOEIC IP test for the 11th of December. That's December 11th. Okay, please read that file. It's in Japanese, so it's not hard to understand. But please remember to read it before December 11th. That's when you have your TOEIC IP test. The rest of it is not a surprise. You have your homework answers, the Quizlet material that will help you understand the homework for next week. And you had a reflection exercise for misleading graphs. Now, I think most of you did that. Also, the document that you read the week before on email writing, that was in November 11th. Okay, this document right here. This is the one that you should read again so that you understand what to do for this email quiz. Now, both of them are going to be due by tonight. So please make sure that you read that email document. And then if you haven't done the quiz yet, please make sure that you do first part 1 and then part 2. Okay, you have to do part 1 and then part 2. That's due by tonight. Okay. Now, today, again, nothing too special. There's your Quizlet material right there. Your homework submission for the first one for chapter 10. There was no homework last week, so that was good because I wasn't here. But this is your first homework for chapter 10. And a reflection on the homework that we're doing, again, for Love Sells Cars. So if you just can keep an eye on that, I don't think there's a lot to do this coming week. But I will also talk about next week. Next week is also on demand because next week is a Tuesday. A Tuesday, I have to teach at a different school. I can't teach on a Tuesday here. So that will also be on demand. That is fairly simple. You just have your homework answers, a new homework that's based on the second one for chapter 10, and a reflection. If you can do all of that, I think you'll be fine, and we'll catch up again. Let's see, that would be December 9th. December 9th will be the next class that we come together here. So sorry about all of these on-demand classes. Last week, it was because I was sick. Next week, it will be because it's a Tuesday and I can't teach here on a Tuesday. But otherwise, I think you guys are doing okay with what you have to do. And there's no big surprises. The only one that might be kind of different is the email quiz. So make sure that you do both part 1 and then part 2. You have to do them in order too, 1, then 2. You can't do them outside of each other. Okay? And if you have any questions, please remember you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can talk to me here in this class. Okay, we've got a few things that we need to do today. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.